get in here and make, oh, come on, drill bit, stay with me. These anchors can be really tricky, guys. Oh, these might be too little. Ah. You are in the kitchen with me. Why? Because I am concerned. I'm concerned about my babies. I'm concerned about these and the fact that I have that, and I'm always having to shift these, and I don't like it. It's either shifting them out the way or putting them in the oven. It's just too much, right? So what I wanted to do today was rectify this issue. Not have them here anymore and hang them on the wall. I didn't know exactly where I wanted them, but I think I found the perfect place. It was up in the air. So I ordered something off of Amazon, and it came the other day, and I said, okay, today is the day. Even though Tom decided to come early, which is crazy. If you know what I mean by time, you know what I mean, which is crazy. So I want to hang these up. Today is wash day, so yeah, it's a lot going on. And I said, you know what? Let's just get it done. I just got done doing a back porch refresh. I just got done doing underpinning under my deck because some animal was still trying to get under there, and some of the pins got loose, so I had to go and bang them down and put some more pins in. So this is what we're doing, and let me show you the item. I didn't unbox it or anything, so let me show you. I plan to put it here on this wall right here. So it comes with two, but I think one is for lids and one is for the pots. So in my brain, I'm thinking, well, when I say I'm sweating, it is hot outside. Okay, let's open this. Let's see. All right, I had to get a thumbnail. So it was only 14 bucks, and I was tossing between wrought iron and steel. Come to find out, steel is... Never Google it or try to figure it out, but steel is stronger than wrought iron. So definitely not using these little cheesy things. Definitely not doing that. It comes with 10 hooks, so you can hang 10 things. Now, one is supposed to be for the pots, and one is supposed to be for the lids. I don't know. I'm going to hang one up, and I'm going to hang it up using my anchors that I love. Let me get them and show them to y'all. But this is made very well. So it kind of attaches to the wall like so, and you let your pans hang. I don't know if I like that, but for a temporary, I guess I can get it out the way. Or should I put both rows? I don't know. I don't know if I plan on getting too many more cast iron, because cast iron is something. I have a frying pan, I have a deep a Dutch oven with the top, and then the Dutch oven is two separate parts. Let me show you. I had a griddle, and I have one on my stove, so I really don't have to buy the griddle, so I gave that back. This I haven't used. I bought this years ago, and I shared this with y'all. I haven't used it yet. So, and it's like I don't have anywhere to put it, so now I can hang this. This will be hung. And this is by Cuisinart. Y'all know I love Cuisinart. And then this is the Dutch oven by Large. And I shared this with a lot of y'all years ago. So it can be, you can use it like this. You can put it on the fire. You can put it on the grill. You can put it in the oven. You can put it on the stove. All that. But I use this bad boy all the time. Like, this is my go-to frying pan for pancakes, for everything. And then this one is if I wanted to deep fry something, or if I wanted to make something like hearty that needs, you know, a lot of need more depth than a frying pan. And then this one is my big boy if I need to fry a lot at one time. And I got this from Macy's. Ended up getting this at a very great discount. I had a code and it was on sale, and I think I paid like 13 bucks for this. Not even, maybe 9, between 9 and 13. So those are my pieces. I don't have a whole bunch, and I'm not trying to do the most with them. Excuse me. So that's what I have, and I'm going to hang it up. So I want you guys to go with me. These anchors I got is supposed to hold a lot of weight. Let's get those anchors. These are my favorite. These are my favorite. So I'm going to need my leveler, and I'm going to need my anchors. All right, we are back. So I got leveler and my favorite. Listen, these anchors are amazing. They do not just come out the wall. These ones hold 65 pounds, so I feel like this is more than enough. I think it's, I don't know if it's 65 pounds for 2 or 1. Whatever, but if it's 1, still fine. If it's 2, that's double the sturdiness that I need. So these are the anchors, and I get these from Menards. This is what they look like. And this is what they look like out the bag. They have the big ones. I'm going to be using these ones because the big ones are 75. I feel like that might be overkill. So I'm going to do, or should I? Do I have too big? I think I went through them big ones fast, but I'm going to just go with these ones here. And I'm going to make sure I don't put nothing underneath it in case it does not work. So let's get into it. And I got my leveler. So we're going to level it off, pin mark it, and then do the thing. It should be very simple. Watch me work. All right, let's flip y'all around. This is where we're going to be, right here. All right, so where I'm thinking is like right about here. And let's move y'all over. And so, I don't know, this feels kind of, well, I guess it's because it's going to be hooked. So let's make sure this is, let me push y'all closer. Make sure this is level first. Make my holes. Okay, there we go. Make my holes. I mean my marks. So we made the mark. Okay. Now we're going to take a drill bit and we're going to get in here and make, oh, come on drill bit, stay with me. Okay. On both sides. Hopefully this goes right for us. Hopefully this goes right for us. All right. Then the next thing is taking the anchors, and we want to get those in there. And so I probably need a bigger space. These anchors can be really tricky, guys. So I'm gonna use this just to make just a bigger hole. All right. Hopefully it's not a stud. Let me check something. Okay, I had to verify there's no stud back there so that I can get these anchors to go in like they should. So once you get this first tip in here, the rest of it screws in. So what I like to do is take my Phillips, put it in there, and do that. Make sure it's in the wall, right? On both sides. Not so fast. All right. Now we're going to take the bar and we're going to, oh, these might be too little. Ah! Are they too little? Okay, they're not. Whew. Y'all got nervous real quick. So we take the bar and we're going to do this on both sides and then go to the other side. Because this nail is meant to, this screw is meant to go through it to make it open up and hold the wall. So we got that. So we're gonna hold this up like this, slowly. Boom. Okay, okay. You know how stuff you procrastinate on, you like, just get it done. Just do it. All right. So that's that. My camera's crooked. Let's get these hooks out. And I guess the hook goes the flat part this way. And like that. And we're gonna need 4. Let's see how this works for us. I'm nervous, guys. I am so nervous. Okay, we're gonna start off with, do I want them this way or the other way? Because y'all see, look at it, look at it. Okay, woo. I don't know if I want them this way or that way. Like that. And then we have the big boy like that. Should I have some height? I'm leaving them. I'm leaving them. I am not. Yeah, we're not about to do all that because it seems sturdy and it seems like it's working. All right, that's my little cast iron little setup off the stove. So happy, so happy, so happy. Now I do have 2. If you're interested in this, let me know. I mean, let me know if I forget to put the other one. I'm not putting the other one up as of yet. I'll just have it in the future. But yeah, for now, that's perfect. That is perfecto. That is perfecto. Yep, I love it. Everything is out the way and boom. Yeah, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Yes. All right, guys, talk to me in the comments. I talk back, Lady Gators, and I will keep you updated on how it's working. I think if they're there, they're holding weight and they're not moving, I think it's going to be cool. What y'all think? Talk to me in the comments. What do y'all think about this setup? I think it's simple, out of the way, and now clean stove with no cast iron pot sitting on it and in the way. So I'm loving that. All right, Lady Gators.